Do you have a lot of bowling balls at home and they all just hook too much when you bowl? Or maybe you're a new bowler that doesn't want to break the bank and you just want a great bang for your buck bowling ball. Well, the Storm Typhoon is the answer. All right, before we get to it, here's a crazy fact. 90% of you that watch our videos are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. Crazy. You guys need to go ahead and subscribe right now. Click the button. We'll be very thankful for that, of course. So please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of great content. We put a lot of time into it. Subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So the Storm Typhoon, what is this bowling ball? It seems like it's going to have a lot of length, but control down lane. That's at least what I'm seeing from Storm. RG of 253, differential of 042. So different numbers than a lot of the other balls that we've been seeing recently. So I'm really excited to drill this one because I'm looking for a different shape in my bag. Something that's not super early or doesn't boomerang the entire lane. I just need something that gets down the lane and has more control. So the Storm Typhoon, I think is going to be a great ball for me. I hope it's going to be a great ball for you. Now let's get this ball drilled up and get right into the video. Okay, we're out here on the lanes now at Oak Tree Lanes in Diamond Bar, California with the Storm Typhoon. So everything I've seen from the website from Storm, basically this ball is gonna get further down the lane and be really controllable and smooth. Today I'll compare it to the IQ Tour A.I, which you can see in a video right here. So let's take a quick look at the Storm Typhoon. We're gonna throw a few shots. Okay. So not my best shot to start. I kind of fell off there. I'm still kind of getting warmed up, but that ball got a little too far to the right, but it was really smooth and controllable, a lot of length. Let's throw a better shot and let's see if we can get a strike here. So a lot of length there, a lot of control, got the strike I was looking for. So still a lot of control, still a lot of length, but I'm able to play further right than a lot of the previous ball videos as well. I'm standing on 25 right now. A lot of the other videos I've been standing 30 or 35 with my feet. So this is allowing me to play further right. Oh, I missed way in, but I got away with it. So I got a little grabby there, kind of held on to it. I hit just a little left, obviously my target. But overall, I mean, length and control is good, so still liking this ball. So a much better shot there. Used my legs a little bit more, got my angles more open, sent the ball to the friction and had it roll controllably back into the pocket. All right, so not as far to the right of the friction, but got a strike. Still a good shot off my hand. Now let's take a quick look at the IQ Tour A.I and see how that compares to the Storm Typhoon. So here's the IQ Tour A.I. If you haven't seen the video on this one, take a look at the link right here. and we'll have you watch that IQ Tour AI video as well. So here's a couple shots. So a similar motion there, but it did try to pick up a little bit closer to me, meaning that it wants to hook a little bit more. The IQ Tour series is a stronger overall ball, and the Typhoon is gonna get further down the lane. So that one hooked closer to me. I would probably wanna use this one when there's a little bit more oil, and the Typhoon when the lanes are drier. So Storm says benchmark motion with the IQ Tour A.I, and that's what I'm seeing there even on that shot. I left the 10 pin, but just a nice controllable ball. That's why I wanted to compare it to the Typhoon to see what the length difference is, and that one definitely hooked a little bit sooner. It lost some energy down lane, and that's why I believe I left the 10 pin on that shot. So because I left that 10 pin, I'm gonna move further to the left. I'm gonna stand on 30 with my feet and see if I can move a little bit further over, see if we can get the ball further down the lane, because this one's trying to hook earlier, see if I get a strike. Okay, so that one saved a lot more energy, it got further down the lane, but I didn't get it to the friction, meaning I didn't get it as far right down lane. It was almost there, guys, almost. So now we're gonna get back to this video with the Storm Typhoon. I'm gonna take this Vice IT interchangeable thumb, pop it right in here, and I'm gonna stand 30 with this one. I'm expecting it not to hook back, which is okay. It's okay to have a ball that doesn't hook as much and you can play straighter with. So if I miss right, it might just happen, and that's okay. So like I was saying, that ball doesn't have as much teeth in it. Basically, it's not gonna hook as much as an IQ. It got further down the lane, almost made the corner, left me that 2 pin there. And I'm gonna move just a little bit further back to the right, see if I can roll a great strike right now. Okay, so a little straighter there with that ball, but that's what the Storm Typhoon's supposed to be. So if you're looking for a straighter ball in your bag, something that isn't gonna hook at your toes, Storm Typhoon. Now let's head back into the pro shop and the bowling store, and we'll finish our review. We are back in the bowling store with the Storm Typhoon. I really enjoyed this ball because it created a lot of length but controllable motion. In comparison to that IQ AI that we also rolled, which is another controllable ball, this Typhoon got much further down the lane and had that great controllable shape that we were looking for. So if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. We'd love to see you more in our upcoming videos, and we're gonna have a lot of great content coming out. And if you're ready to get that Storm Typhoon in your bowling bag, and you're as excited as I am about this ball, all you have to do is head over to proapproachbowling.com or just stop into one of our shops here in Southern California, and we'd be glad to help you. We'll see you all out on the lanes.